Assalamu-Alaikum everyone. This is Naz with Hijabz&You with another tutorial. How are you doing today? I hope, inshallah, you're all keeping well, trying to stay safe, doing your bit. You know, COVID-19 is still around and it's really around. So we must do our bit. Please make sure you do your bit for yourself, your family, your extended family, the community, because if each one of us does our bit, it helps everyone in the process. So please, let's try and stay safe. Welcome to my channel. This is Naz with Hijabz&You, welcoming you again to the channel. If you've been here with me along the journey, I thank you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Every support, every love, every comment, every like means a whole lot to me. That means we're building a platform, and the platform is with good intentions. It's to build it for our sisters, to enhance the wearing of our hijab, to help our sisters, those ones that are not wearing a hijab, to give them that extra push to wear a hijab. That's the intention of this platform. Now, if you've never been here and you're visiting for the first time, I welcome you sincerely. I hope that you find the contents here pleasing to your eyes and pleasing to your ears, and you'll stay to the end. And if you stay to the end, then you decide what you want to do. If you want to stay with us, you want to join with us, it will be a beautiful thing. Yes. I thank each and every one of you, all you viewers out there, for watching this video. It means a lot to me. Yes, because I'm here with the best of intentions, sharing with you, because this platform is about you. It's about you and me together, putting together this platform that we can help each other. That's it. Okay. So now, about today's tutorial. It's supposed to be a quick one. It looks like it's not a quick one, but it's supposed to be a quick one. It's just a simple wrap. It's a beautiful scarf. I love the color. What is it? A mustardy yellow? It's a golden mustard. It's just so beautiful. And it's a simple wrap with a few folds, and it gives us this really, really nice volume, lots of pleats. Nice volume here, it's got coverage, and it folds really nicely. And that's my intention. See that? How beautiful it folds in the back? I don't want, this tutorial is about not the front, but in the back and on the side, and how we can use the scarf to its fullest, you know, see that? Display that very nicely, and have coverage in the front with some pleats. And you'll see how I get this look. And just, it's supposed to be, like I said, very quick. So I'm hoping we can do this very quickly. So stay with me as I show you how I got this look. Okay, so let's begin. Now today I have my ninja. I have a lot on today, and for whatever reason I want the black ninja to be covered, only because I want the color of this to, just in case the mustard, it's not a see-through fabric at all. It's just a beautiful, beautiful rectangular scarf. It's only got the design on one end, so we're going to try and keep that. So that's in the front. And what I've done, this ninja that I have put on today was a bit short because the neck of my top is a bit low. So I've taken a very small pull-on hijab and I've put it over my neck, and I've tucked it here so that my neck is covered, because I don't want anything showing. Does that make sense? I have my ninja, which you don't necessarily have to have. It's your preference. I have done a video on underscarves, so please make sure you look at that one for all the different variations of scarves and underscarves. And because the ninja is a cotton one, it was a bit of a smaller one today. So what I've done is, like I said, I put a small pull-on hijab, and I've tucked it in so that nothing is showing. My back is covered, my front is covered, because the neck of my top is a bit low. So I didn't want anything showing. And that's a little bit of a trick for you. If you have a bit of a short top and you want to have coverage, you just put on a small hijab because the opening is there. So you're not wearing it, it's in the back. And when you put your hijab on, it's going to get covered. Okay? All right. And I've worn this tubing on here because it kind of matches my color of my hijab. And that's what it looks like in the back. And we're going to attempt to get that look very, very quickly because this is what it is. So I'm going to use this. I've got the smaller, very, very short side, very short one, and all the fabric here. And what we're going to do is we're going to put it at the very end of on the scarf, and we're going to just pin it here. And I'm going to do the same thing for the other side. So we've got that pin, that is secured. This is very short right here. And we're going to put a little tuck here to give ourselves that little look. And if I can find my pin, it always disappears on me because you know what? It's a very tiny pin. And again, it has disappeared. I am sorry, it's here. It's one of those without the head. So it it gives you the tuck, but it doesn't show too much on the scarf. So you're just giving it a little tuck up there to bring just that there. And now what we're going to do is we're going to bring some folds. And you're going to pull the hijab from the back. So you're getting the pleats from the back. So I've done the first one. I'm going to do another one, but hold the front while you're pulling so you're not destroying the pleat that you've created in the first one. We've got two happening. That's the first one. That's the second one. Just make sure that when you do it, it's number two. We're going to do a third one. It's a beautiful fabric. The color is absolutely gorgeous. So here we've got 3 folds, and what we're going to do is we're going to put a little pin over here. Actually, I'm going to remove the first one, and I'm going to use that same pin to keep my fold in place. So far, so good. So we've got our pleats, and here we are, got the pleats happening, and I'm just going to put one over here too, so I keep that in place. And now we're going to use this long side to wrap and cover the hijab. We've got the pleats going on so far. We've got our pleats in place, and we're going to bring this underneath. There was no safety pin here because of the way we're wrapping it. And we're going to bring that, hold that in place, hold your pleated side in place, and wrap this. And we're going to bring this over here. We've got another pleat happening there. It's supposed to be beautiful with a little bit of volume and with a really, really nice look. So now that we've got that here, before we pin it, what we're going to do is make sure we have coverage in the front. We want to have the coverage in the front because it's pleated, but with coverage in the front. See that? And now we're going to bring this over a bit so we have some of that beautiful lace in the front, and we're going to have it flowing in the back as well. And now instead of all these pins, now that I've gotten that over here, I'm going to take that one out and I'm going to just use it to pin all of it together. And we've got this most beautiful, beautiful look. It didn't take very long. And we want to have it flowing in the back, so I'm making sure that that's happening, and I'm bringing some of it in the front. And now that I have it in the front, I'm going to fool around with it because I don't need all those clips there. I just use it in order to do my fold. And now that this is here, we're going to take that out, and we can use that right here. And that could be gone. And now we've got this most beautiful look. So quickly, you just have to play around with it when you're doing your folds, just making sure that you put the pin to work with it, and once you're done, you can take the pins out because there's no need for all that pin. So basically now all we have is one pin here holding this in place and one here, and we've got the most nicest of folds. And I'm going to show you the final look, and I'm going to show you the back as well, because like I said, I want the fabric in the back. I want that there, and you got to see how this is so pretty, and you just got to finesse it a bit, and it's done. And we've got this most beautiful look. Do you see that? How beautiful that is? And now we've got the scarf falling in the back with the beautiful lace showing. Just going to show you that how it looks. And then we've got it on the side. You see that? How pretty is that? How beautiful is that? We've got coverage. We've got our lace sitting here. And that's the only look I want to show you today. Now, there's variations. You can always bring that forward and just let it sit here. You know, just bring the whole thing and have it sitting like that. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's absolutely gorgeous. You can have it sitting there. Really, really pretty. See? And the scarf is such a beautiful fabric. Once you fold your pleats, it sits in place. And look at that. You've got all these folds, all this fold, lots of volume, lots of pleat, and that's the look. But I'm going to put it back the way I wanted it. I just showed you a little bit of variation, but I want it on the shoulder and just falling like that in the back and looking so beautiful. So what do you think? That was easy, wasn't it? It's just a matter of playing around with your folds, making sure your folds are in place. You use the stick pins to keep the fold in place until you've got it wrapped, and then you can remove some of the pins, right? And now we've got this really, really beautiful look happening, and there you go. What do you think? I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I think it's beautiful. I think you should try it. Make sure you try it. It's simple. You know, these hijabs, there's only so much we can wrap them in variations. And with a slight variation, it has a little bit of a different look. So this might look like another tutorial, something before, but with a little bit of a twist. That's about it. I hope you like it. I hope you will try it. Make sure you leave a comment on the bottom. Let me know what you're thinking. Yes, and please do try colors. Yes. You know, some of us are comfortable with just the dark colors, with the blacks. Some of us like white. Some of us, personally, I like all colors. I love a black scarf. I'm not the greatest with white. It doesn't go good with my complexion, but every so often I do put one on. And so we need to try these colors, and I think today's color is absolutely gorgeous. I love how it folds in the back. You see how it folds in the back? It's beautiful. It's just beautiful. So Try it. Make sure you try it and let me know. Okay, we've got that done. I hope you like it. And if you do like it, please hit the like button. And do share it with your friends and family. It's important, you know, share the link. And if they want to look at it, they will. But you do your duty. Share the link if you like it. If you know, are good with what you're seeing, then share it. Because if someone else gets the call to put their hijab on because you've shared the link, you've done your duty and you've done a good thing for yourself. And it's called like 𝗪𝗪𝗀𝗀 𝗪𝗁𝗀. You know, it's something that you have created. Even though you've left this world, that person wearing the hijab, you will get the benefits of it. So it's important. It's little things that we don't know. We're not, you know, we're not aware of. We can fill the bucket up, and we need to fill the bucket up. So let's try little things, not big things. We don't need big things. We just need little things. It's, you know, there's a little saying, every little stone adds up, adds up, adds up, and it builds a concrete. You know, it's one little stone at a time. So do your bit. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button. And do press the all so that you can get every upload from Hijabz&You. It's important. If you don't press the all, then you will not see the videos. So if you press the all button every time I upload a video, you will get a notification that Naz has uploaded a video from Hijabz&You. Until we meet again, please do stay safe, be vigilant, do your bit, and remember, enjoy every moment. Every moment counts. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless each and every one of you, and bless all of us, increase us in our iman, in our faith, and give us good for this world, and help us to prepare for the after one. Until we meet again, Naz saying, Asalam-o-Alaikum.